In this video, I will show you how to create sub-bullet points in Microsoft Word like this. So firstly guys, keep your cursor where you want to create this type of bullet list in Microsoft Word. Then click on this bullet. Now type your text, then press enter. Now press tab on your keyboard. Now guys, you can change style for this sub-bullet list. So select it and numbering or any style. Similar, you can apply this setting in numbering. Here you want to make more subline, you can press enter and press tab. Like this. Change style from this multi-level list and select any style. Here you can add the line like this. So guys, you can check the styles and designs. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.